तो ऐसा है कि पिछले 1-2 दिनों से मेरे दिमाग में बार बार ये आ रहा था कि I should refer to Bambi Auntie's book, because that is a book that I probably read maybe about 8 years ago, 8, 9, 10 years ago. और मुझे याद है कि उसमें she referred, एक chapter था उसमें कि गुरुजी ने बताया था that how we should pray. And we all know that praying is literally the essence of our lives. But what is the right way to do it? And more so for the benefit of, when I say Nayi Sangat, I mean people who've not met Guruji in his physical form. So जो संगत गुरुजी से जुड़ी है उनके महासमाधि के बाद, so I'll refer to them as नई संगत. वैसे तो गुरुजी knows के कौन कब से जुड़ा है. So गुरुजी हर चीज हमारे लिए बहुत simplify करते थे. And I'm going to quote to you what is written in the book, and this is the conversation between Bambi Auntie and Guru Sahib. And Bambi Auntie की पीठ सुन रही है कि she has been very instrumental in my connection with Guruji, because we used to look at her and used to follow her. So she said that one time she was sitting with Guru Sahib, and Guruji very casually asked her कि तू अपनी पूजा में क्या क्या करती है. So very proudly she rattled off a long list of mantras. मैं ये करती हूँ, मैं वो करती हूँ, वो करती हूँ. And Guruji smiled and he said, तू ये सब करना बंद कर दे. And what you have to do is कि 5 मिनट से ज्यादा meditate नहीं करना. So obviously the next leading question was कि meditate करूँ तो कैसे करूँ और क्या chant करूँ. So Guruji told her that जो तेरे मन में आता है तू वो chant कर. And then slowly and slowly, you try to increase your frequency, but start with 5 minutes. So obviously, sitting down for 5 minutes was a cakewalk. And he also said कि जब तुम prayers करते हो अपने, so sit on a mat, and once you finish your prayers, thank the mat. Otherwise, 50% of your prayers is going to go to the mat. So she started doing that. After some time, Guruji said, "Acha, do it for 10 minutes," and then 15 minutes. And it started to become a little hard for her, concentrating at a stretch for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So उस दौरान गुरुजी जलंधर चले गए. And जो संगत थी, they felt a little offered कि वो गुरुजी अब कब वापस आएंगे. And गुरुजी instructions देके गए थे कि till I contact you directly, please don't come visit me. So while she was trying to meditate, it was a little hard for her कि connection कैसे जोड़े, क्या करे. So and she was restless कि गुरुजी कब message देंगे, कब बुलाएंगे. And one fine day गुरुजी sent a message कि आप लोग जलंधर आओ मिलो. So they were very happy. Both Sati and Bambi, they went. And वहाँ पर एक आंटी बैठी थी. And गुरुजी ने उनको बोला कि इन्हू 10 जो मैं तेनू पाठ के बारे में बताया कि पाठ कैसे करते हैं, इसको भी बता. So what she said, and listen to this very carefully, because the focus should not be how many mantras you're narrating or what is the duration of your part. The focus is your connection with your Lord. So she said कि जब आप पूजा करने बैठते हो तो certain things you have to do mentally and certain things you have to do physically. So physically, you sit down on a mat with your back straight, एक हाथ के ऊपर दूसरा हाथ, and then you close your eyes. Now mentally आप क्या सोच रहे हो कि you've placed the most beautiful cushion for your Guruji. उस cushion को आप अपने हाथ से सहला रहे हो, उसके सारे creases निकाल रहे हो, and you put flowers around it, and you light up agarbatti and dhoop, and basically you're getting it ready to welcome your Guruji. And then you imagine Guruji coming in, and you hear the rustling of his chola, and then you ask him to sit down, and what you do is you just talk to him and narrate to him everything that's in your heart. That's it. As simple as that. And once you've had your heart-to-heart conversation with your Guruji, you do your matha take, chutti lo, and you're done. And what Guruji also said was कि जब आप मैट बिछाते हो तो उसके साथ एक सिल्वर के ग्लास में पानी डाल लो, because silver is an excellent conductor of energy. Or once this session with your Guruji is done, have that water, because that's like amrit for your body. So as simple as that. And I thought that this is so beautiful, and it makes things easy that you're praying, and at the same time you're having a heart-to-heart conversation with Guruji, and you're away from all those mantras and mala ferna and all that. And so I just decided that maybe I'll start following this myself on a daily basis, and see if all of us can do that, because Guru Maharaj always made things easy for us.